Hey. What are you doing? Are you ready for the storm, Sophie? Are you ready for the storm? It's coming. A few hours. Let's see. 10 to 12 inches of snow. You're going to be in trouble. Serious trouble. Nine o'clock in the morning. Doesn't look too bad. You can see where Eileen parked. There's the truck. Wood shed. Still see grass under the trees. We got like 2-3 inches of snow at the moment. Okay, so you can see, calm before the storm. There's no snow on the roads. They look pretty good. Not too. All the nasty stuff about winter is headed our way in about a few hours here. But I got some running I got to do this morning. Eileen's at work. I'm really worried about her having to drive home because by the time she's headed back, it's going to be storm will be upon us. So I'll be glad when she gets home. Knock, knock. Are you ready for Snowmageddon?
No, I'm not.
You're not ready?
I'm not. Well, I am, yeah.
You are?
Oh, Mark. Who are you filming? Who are you sending that to?
Nobody.
Oh.
Well, I might put it on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Maybe. I'm kind of,
Do you want to build a snowman?
no.
Do you want to go and play?
No.
No.
No, but it's coming. I figured, maybe I'll document it. Maybe it'll be something huge.
Nikki wants to see film all day.
Film, what do you
I
mean?
just talked to her. She goes, take pictures all day, Mom.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.
Oh,
so
well.
that's pretty cool.
There you go. I'm going to document it.
Yeah.
Like every, when it starts snowing, maybe every couple hours I'll get it out and,
Do it for her.
took before and after stuff,
Yeah.
We'll see how it rolls. I hope it's not too bad.
I want Eileen to get home safe and the kids.
Me too.
Then it can do what it has to do.
Yeah.
Please, Lord.
Right. And 4. Okay.
Goofball.
You got coffee?
Oh, I was gonna make some.
Woohoo!
I want some.
I want some coffee. Good. Then after 4. It's probably the last video I'll get to take tonight because it's getting dark outside, but it's 5:30. And the dogs are barking. You guys out there snow blowing already. He's an overachiever. There you go. Angry. Yeah, we're definitely getting some snow. I'd say that's a pretty good little amount right there. It's Saturday the 13th, morning after the first initial wave of the storm, and geared up to go do a little plowing, right?
And shoveling?
And shoveling. So let's head outside and see what it's like. about 7 inches, looks like. They're claiming 10 to 12 by the end of it. So probably ought to get a jump start on getting this thing plowed. Let's fire up the buggy here. Make sure our strobe light works, because we will be in the road just a little bit. Oh, look at that beauty, Mus. Guys, very, very heavy stuff. Oh yeah, very heavy, for sure. Buggy around. You have to take it little bits at a time. Those of you who are like, let's move to Michigan. Oh, the snow's so beautiful. No. It's a lot of work is what it is. And dangerous. Very dangerous. See, in Michigan, if you don't have a garage, this is what you get to look forward to every time it snows. Brushing your car. The fun never ends. Everything takes 10 times longer to do in the wintertime. There's a lot to be said for about snowbirding, I think. I think we're done plowing, so that's good. Winter Wonderland, Michigan. Get this thing for a little bit of a drive and cool it off a little bit. Let the snow begin. It's gonna keep on snowing. We'll do this again tomorrow or later on tonight, depending. And then we're supposed to get lake effect after that, so we'll see what happens. Y'all, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm already sick of snow. Like, sick of snow. So I plowed this yesterday. You can see, I mean, there's a good, I'd say probably about 5 inches, maybe 6 more inches from what there was yesterday. And I'm getting sick and tired of it. I'm already sick of it. To be totally honest, brutally honest with you, I hate winter. I hate it. I go gear up and plow. Yep. Over it. Y'all, thought maybe we'd take a quick flight with the drone real quick. We will see what everything looks like from the sky, right? So ends the snowpocalypse. We got quite a bit when it all is said and done. Sun's out. Next week it's supposed to be 40. So, yeah, hopefully I can piece together some kind of video so you can check it out. But I'm looking forward to the warm weather. Boy. Till next time.